This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. You can also use the animation tab to draw your own image. Oh yeah, so what they're talking about, this thing up here. Let's see what we're doing. You are going to make your own character by drawing it, okay? Open the animations tab, hidden up here, bloop. Oh wait, and instruction. And then draw your own image. Rename your picture so it's easy to remember. Back in code mode, alright, so let's go there. This is going to be rough. I am not known. Oh, they want us to draw our own. We could also use one of these for my animation. I'm going to call this person, and we'll see if it remotely resembles a person. This person's going to be this color. I should mention I'm red-green colorblind, students. Again, I am known for my artwork. Let's do a blue. Gorgeous. So, if you're wondering, these are eyes, mouth. I thought I gave them a collar that kind of looks like a weird extra smile chin thing. And then this obviously is a full head of hair, just like me. So, part of that's true. Let's head over to code mode and see if I can get my perfect image to appear here. I'm seeing code, so let's hit run. Oh yeah, we got our square thing. I think, ooh, it even tells us, we need to set our animation. So I'm headed to Sprites. Now keep in mind with set animation, it's really annoying. So let's say I throw it down here. Like, go away. Bloop. Right? If I throw it down here, well, it's not going to work because there's nothing here called sprite. I need to tell it what I am looking to set. So the only thing I have is something called character I could use, not sprite. So if I tell it character, the computer now goes, oh, they're looking to try to set the animation for this sprite named character. Now if I run it, it's not going to do anything. First, we haven't picked an animation. Animation 1 doesn't exist, so I got to hit that little arrowy thing, and I'm going to hit person. And it still does nothing. What's going on? So code runs in order. So what's happening here is it creates our character variable, draws our background, fills it with green, takes no stroke, which is no outline, makes this rectangle, which is the grass, draws our sprites, and below all of that, we say, oh yeah, set our animation to person. Too bad, it's already drawn the stuff on the screen, so it doesn't know we want that animation set to person till line 14, and at that point, we're not drawing everything again, it's over. So now, I'm going to be smart and drag it up here, and it's not going to break. Things you should notice. I have it up here. Let's see if I can break it again. I cannot. Okay, they're not letting us draw over it, which is what we wanted to see. So, ta-da! We have a fancy-dancy sprite. And he's beautiful. Cool. Onward.